Loading filament into a head. Step 1. Turn on the head heaters. Park the head on the build platform and use the Control tab, and turn on any bed or head that needs to be heated. Step 2. Feed the filament through the tube. Place a spool of 1.75 mm filament on the spool holder. Wear latex gloves when touching filament to prevent contaminants from interfering with layer adhesion. Press the blue filament guide button. Feed filament through the filament guide. Once the filament enters the filament guide, you can release the button. Hold the blue button and attach a filament tube. Tug on the tube to ensure it is securely attached. Keep feeding the filament through the tube until a few inches of material emerges on the other side of the tube. Step 3. Feeding filament into the head. Once the head has reached the appropriate temperature for the material, feed filament into the head and look through the side access on the head to ensure the filament is placed between the gears. Then press the filament button located at the top left of the PCB to the right. This will start pushing filament through the head. Step 4. Connect the tube to the head. Step 5. Mount the tube. Push the center of the tube into the printed tube mount on the inside of the Hydra upper door. Finally, go to Repetrel and advance the filament so you know that it's going to be extruded from the nozzle.